What if I told you there's a way to build massive wealth without winning the lottery, working overtime, or starting a risky business? A quiet strategy the wealthy use every day, and most people never even notice it. While others struggle paycheck to paycheck, smart investors are buying properties that pay them every single month. And it's not just the rich doing this, it's regular people using simple steps to escape the rat race forever. If you think real estate is too expensive or too complicated, think again. You're about to uncover the truth that schools never taught you: how real estate can turn one small decision into a lifetime of freedom. Miss this, and you could be locking yourself out of the greatest wealth building opportunity of our time. Smart start. When it comes to building wealth through real estate, the smartest move is making a smart start. Most people think you need millions to begin, but that's a myth. In reality, your journey can begin with just one small property, like a single family home, a studio apartment, or even a fixer-upper. The key is education, planning, and patience. Before investing, study the local market. Is the area growing? Are new schools, shopping centers, or transport links being developed nearby? These signs usually mean rising property values in the future. A smart start also means understanding your budget. Use mortgage calculators, factor in repair costs, and always leave room for unexpected expenses. Financing is your next big step. Whether it's a bank loan, a government scheme, or even partnering with a friend or investor, there are many ways to secure your first deal. But don't rush it. A smart investor focuses on numbers. If the rent covers your mortgage, maintenance, and leaves you profit, it's a green flag. Start small, but think big. Your first property doesn't need to be perfect. Its purpose is to get your foot in the door, generate steady income, and teach you valuable lessons. Most real estate millionaires didn't strike gold on their first deal, but they started smart, stayed consistent, and scaled up wisely. Your smart start today could become your financial freedom tomorrow. Cash flow is the lifeblood of real estate investment. It's the difference between the money you earn from your property, like rent, and the money you spend on it, like mortgage payments, taxes, insurance, and maintenance. A positive cash flow means your investment is not just surviving, it's thriving. Let's break it down. Imagine you buy a small rental property. Every month, your tenant pays $1,000 in rent, loan payment, repairs, and taxes. Add up to $700. That extra $300 left over is your monthly cash flow. Multiply that by 12 months, and you've earned $3,600 in passive income for the year. Now imagine scaling that to 5 or 10 properties over time. The secret to consistent cash flow is smart property selection. Look for locations with high rental demand, low vacancy rates, and stable property values. Invest in homes that need light renovations, not total overhauls, and always inspect the numbers. Use a cash flow calculator to make sure you're investing in something that truly pays you back. Cash flow gives you financial breathing room. Even during market downturns, if your property continues to generate rental income, you're protected. You're not relying on property prices to go up. You're earning every month. Many investors chase appreciation, but smart ones prioritize cash flow. It's your steady stream of income, your safety net, and your ticket to long-term wealth. Equity growth is where real wealth starts to multiply in real estate. Equity is the difference between your property's market value and the amount you still owe on it. And as time goes by, this gap can grow, making you richer without lifting a finger. Let's say you buy a house for $100,000 with a $20,000 down payment. You owe $80,000 on the mortgage. After 5 years, the property's value rises to $130,000 and you've paid down $10,000 of the loan. Now your equity is $60,000, almost triple your original investment. This growth is one of the most powerful tools in real estate. Equity grows in two main ways: through property appreciation and loan paydown. Appreciation happens when the market pushes up home prices due to demand, development, or inflation. At the same time, every mortgage payment you make reduces your debt, increasing your ownership stake. And here's the game changer: once you've built enough equity, you can tap into it. Many investors use a home equity loan or cash out refinance to pull money from one property and use it to buy another. That means your existing property literally helps you grow your portfolio without saving from scratch again. The earlier you start, the more time you give your equity to grow. It's a long-term play, but the payoff can be massive. Equity growth turns small investments into major assets, and that's how true wealth is built in real estate. Passive income is the dream that draws most people to real estate. And for good reason. It's money that flows in every month without active work. Imagine waking up and knowing your property is earning for you while you sleep. That's the power of rental income. Once you own a rental property, your tenant pays rent every month. After covering your expenses, like the mortgage, taxes, insurance, and maintenance, what's left is your profit. And unlike a job, you don't have to clock in daily to earn it. With good property management or even hiring a property manager, your role becomes minimal. Over time, as rents increase and your mortgage balance drops, your passive income grows. Even better, if you own multiple properties, that income multiplies. Many investors build portfolios that generate enough passive income to replace their 9 to 5 jobs completely. And it doesn't stop there. Passive income gives you freedom. Freedom to reinvest, to travel, to retire early, or to build other businesses. It's the foundation of financial independence. But remember, it's only truly passive when managed right. Screening tenants, maintaining the property, and staying on top of repairs are part of the deal. A smart investor either builds the skills or builds the team to keep income flowing smoothly. Real estate isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is a get-rich, consistently strategy, and passive income is the engine that powers the journey. Long-term wealth is the ultimate reward of real estate investment. It's not about overnight success. It's about building something that lasts for generations. While other assets can crash or lose value overnight, real estate, done right, grows stronger over time. Think about it: real estate offers multiple ways to grow your wealth. You earn passive income monthly, your property appreciates over years, and your loan balance steadily decreases. Meanwhile, your equity rises. And if you hold on to your property long enough, you'll eventually own it outright, meaning every dollar of rent becomes pure profit. But long-term wealth isn't just financial, it's also generational. A single well-chosen property can be passed down to your children. You can set up a trust, leave behind an income stream, or sell and invest the profits in something bigger. Real estate creates legacy, and that's a goal few other investments can offer. The earlier you start, the more powerful your returns. Property bought today could double in value in 10-15 years, all while producing income and building equity. That's how you go from one property to 5, from thousands to millions. Long-term wealth isn't flashy. It's quiet, steady, and powerful. It's how ordinary people become financially free, and how smart investors change their future forever. Now you've seen how a smart start, steady cash flow, rising equity, and reliable passive income all lead to long-term wealth. Real estate isn't just about buying property, it's about buying your future. But here's the real question: what's stopping you from making your first move? Is it fear, lack of knowledge, or just waiting for the perfect moment? Let us know in the comments, because the journey to financial freedom starts with just one step. And if this video sparked something inside you, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We're just getting started. Don't miss our next video: passive income streams, building wealth with minimal effort. Coming soon! Your future self will thank you.